In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mute annoying students on Google Classroom. There are some of the students that tend to misbehave online. So Google Classroom gives you the tools to control students. One of that I'm going to talk today is a mute option. So if you want to mute a student who is annoying or disturbing other students or the class in general, you can go here to people section. Here you just click people. Once you find that, you'll go and scroll down to find that student. For example, I want to block this student, so I will tap these three dots. If I tap these three dots, it will give me the option either to send an email to the student or to mute the student or to remove. Now, because I want to mute the student, so I will click mute. So they will get a pop-up message here that do you want to mute this student? You can, if you want to mute the student, you can click mute. Now remember, muted students can still submit work, but they cannot reply or post or comment. Muted students do not receive a notification that they have been muted. Muted students will not see an option to comment, reply, or post in the stream. They will be able to add private comment, however, to an assignment. They will be able to reply to questions and so forth. So that's how you can mute and control students who are annoying in your class if you are using Google Classroom.